Sai capace io non uso mai
Sì.
quella cosa lì. Ma devi fare un dolce?
Sì, devo fare omelette. Then,
le omelette.
sì. Milk. You just measure like maybe.
Sì, anche noi facevamo le
I'm
omelette.
putting half of this.
Okay.
Then you mix.
Mix, devi mischiare.
Sì. You mix like this.
Invece noi facciamo diverso. Le uova,
Sì.
la farina, dopo piano piano il latte si diluisce.
Ah, puoi anche fare così secondo me. Then after that, you now put like flour.
Okay.
You just put like maybe like 2 spoons. Then start to mix. See how I did.
Okay.
You see, huh? It's very, very liquid. 2 eggs, like 3 spoons of flour. Then now I'm going to be putting like a small sugar, you know, not much. Small sugar like this. Look at it, very small.
Okay.
I don't add very small sugar. See, I made it so quick. Then we are still going to be adding little salt. You don't add little salt like this. Put little salt. You know, anywhere you are putting sugar, you have to put salt. In anything you are doing and there is sugar, there must be a little bit of salt. Okay?
Okay.
See how it look like? It will look like condensed milk. It will look like condensed milk after mixing it. Then I will now put my see. You just put small olive oil.
Okay.
But your pan, you know there is another thing that helps you to have a better omelette. You see how this pan is? You see how it's not scratch. No worry, next time go buy fry pan, better fry pan come for you. You see how? You see how? So now
una unica.
Sì, faccio una unica.
Invece fare 3-4 fai una unica.
Sì. You see how I pour it now?
Yeah.
You can see it there. Now you allow it to cook. You can cover it or you leave it like that. It will cook up now. Devo abbassare il fuoco. Then I load the fire so that it will not get burnt. You know, see how I feel?
Yeah. You think that you don't do something like this?
I dey do all the time. But this one I can't be like say one bone. But you know, not be say bone like that. See.
Put like veggies, you put a bit mushroom.
You fit put mushroom, you fit put different things on top. But this one now, there is a way I'm going to eat it. There is a way I'm going to eat it now. This one, you see it now? I'm going to be putting jam. This one is jam.
Okay.
And what I will show you now.
That reminds me, jam when you put for that load, that Maya things it break.
Hey, I manage.
I don't know. Maybe like the way that they package jam.
You know spoil things. You know spoil things.
No, you not spoil it. The bottle now just break, but the jam cake together. The jam no splash around.
Okay. See, I put jam now. Then I'm going to be rolling it. I roll it like this and cut.
In Belgio fanno tante omelette.
Anche in inglese fanno tanto.
Sì, perché io ho imparato da mia mamma, che è stata in Belgio.
Sì. So,
in place of jam, first if you put like mayonnaise,
yes,
put salad inside. Okay.
Yeah. You can put mayonnaise, you can put salad inside. Not for this one I want to do. So if you people are many, you can do as much as 10.
Okay.
But your pan have to be good so that it will not stink.
Okay.
Because if it stink, it don't spoil. It will not come out like pizza.
Okay.
See, I did there. So they put different this thing with flour. See as it be. To roll it, it will look like this.